Here's the answer for day 4, problem 1. Simplify this expression. Here we have an adding problem, and what we are adding are fractions. What we know about adding fractions is that we have to have common denominators. Once we have the same denominator, then adding the fractions is easy. You add the top numbers together and put it over that common denominator. To make common denominators, we use the concept of LCM that we studied earlier this year. What is the least common multiple of 3a and 12a? That common multiple is 12a itself, because 3a can be turned into 12a by multiplying it by 4. So let's multiply the first fraction, top and bottom, by 4 to change it into an equivalent fraction that has 12a as the denominator. That would be 8 over 12a. The second fraction we can leave the same as it was. Now that we have two fractions with the same denominator, we add the numerators. 8 plus 7 is 15 over 12a. If this reduces, then we must reduce. 15 and 12 both divide by 3, leaving 5 over 4a. Day 4, problem 2. Let's simplify this subtraction of fractions problem. Like adding, when you subtract fractions, you must have the same denominator. Right now, we don't have the same denominator, so we need to use our concept of LCM to find the lowest common denominator. From studying LCMs earlier this year, we know that we can create a least common multiple by using the factors from our first number and the factors from the second number. Our LCM, or least common denominator in these problems, will consist of the 2x minus 1 and the 2x. Let's rewrite both fractions so that they use that as their denominator. What do we need to multiply the first fraction by so that its denominator has a 2x minus 1 and a 2x? We need to times by 2x, top and bottom. What do we need to multiply the second fraction by so that its denominator has a 2x minus 1 and a 2x? We need to multiply by 2x minus 1, top and bottom. In this position here, 2x times 4 makes 8x. In this position here, 3 times 2x minus 1 makes 6x minus 3. Now that we have common denominators, we can subtract our fractions. The technique is to subtract the numerators and write the result on top of the common denominator. 8x subtract 6x is 2x. There's no constant here, but when we subtract negative 3, we get positive 3. So the result is 2x plus 3 over 2x minus 1 times 2x.